Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
We have the rain moving through as we speak. That'll be around through 7 o'clock, and then between about 7 and 8, the rain will be tapering off from west to east across the region. Cloudy skies at 9 o'clock and same at 11 as temperatures back off into the low to mid 60s. And really, we won't drop off much from there because humidity levels are coming up with the rain. Temperatures, a little warmer air coming in, so we'll only drop into the low 60s tonight. 64 at 8 o'clock, cloudy skies. Could even be a little patchy fog in some areas early tomorrow. And then we'll see those clouds break. 75 at noon and up into the mid 80s at 5 p.m. with partly cloudy skies. Our weather headlines calling for that evening rain, perhaps a thunderstorm, although it looks like the thunderstorm chance is mainly staying south of the Ohio River now. Clouds break on Thursday, warm and more humid, and then windy, hot and humid on Friday. We could be up near 90 degrees, and then some thunderstorms head our way for Saturday afternoon. Severe weather outlook, marginal risk basically from Cincinnati and far southern Ohio southward, so we don't have to worry about any severe weather here tonight. Rainfall totals so far, it's been more of a steady rain this afternoon in the northern part of our viewing area north of I-70, holding temperatures in the 60s. Jeff Cador of Bell Centers picked up 3/10 of an inch of rain. Vicky Sifke in New Carlisle 3/10 of an inch of rain, but about 1/10 of an inch of rain at Dayton International. Bill Telsero in the Fairborn Beaver Creek area 1/10 of an inch of rain. The Lowsteaders up there around 1/10 of an inch now, or at least heading that way as the rain continues to fall. Some pockets of moderate to heavy rain over parts of the Miami Valley where you see the yellow. That's where some of the heavier rain is falling. Up around Troy, southern Miami County, and Tip City over to West Milton, New Carlisle. And then up north in northern Darke County, Ansonia, you're getting some decent rainfall and some more moderate to heavy rain pushing into the western part of our viewing area into western Preble County, Butler County. All this is moving east and northeast, so we'll see the rain pick up again briefly here in the Dayton area in intensity, but the back edge of the rain already pushing into central Indiana, and then some breaks in the clouds farther to the west. Temperatures tonight, as I mentioned, there will just drop down toward the low 60s. Very slow drop off tonight. Highs tomorrow, low 80s north, and look for low to mid 80s over the southern part of the Miami Valley. We'll be up to about 85 degrees here in the Dayton area. Friday is when it really warms up, upper 80s to near 90 degrees in the afternoon. Watch the rain come in on the Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems camera. You'll see I-75 get wet. Road spray out there now with the rain falling. And currently in Dayton, we're down to 66 with the rain coming down. 78% now on the relative humidity. Kind of surprising to still see the dew point there at 59, but that should come up a little bit here. We'll probably get that relative humidity more up to about 80 to 95% here through the evening before the rain tapers off. Low 60s north and temperatures in the mid 60s over the southern part of the Miami Valley. Your forecast tonight, evening rain, thunderstorm chances, I think that's mainly south of us now. 62 for the overnight low. A mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow, warmer and more humid, up to 85 degrees. There's a slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow night. There's your forecast tomorrow. 60s in the morning, mid 70s noon, and up into the 80s in the afternoon with a little more sun. Windy, hot and humid Friday, 90. Afternoon and evening thunderstorms Saturday, 88. Cooler Sunday, maybe an early morning shower, 72. Real nice weather on Monday, up near 70. Warmer by Tuesday.